grilled Caesar with grilled tomatoes. So I have a head of romaine, and I just brushed the cut side with olive oil, and I'm sprinkling on salt and pepper. And then I did the same to 2 Roma tomatoes. And then I also have some lemon wedges. And I just brushed olive oil pretty generously on the cut side of all of it, just to kind of help them in the grilling process. So I'm gonna put them cut side down. I think grilled romaine is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna make a homemade Caesar dressing, and it's very simple. Starts with anchovies, which nobody thinks they like, but they do. They all do. Some minced garlic and lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, or you can do red wine vinegar. I like to add Dijon to my Caesar dressing. Just add what you like. All right, and some Worcestershire sauce along with salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna give this a whiz. Sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna check on the lettuce because I don't want it to get too black or wilted. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
I'll turn it over and just let the other side get a little bit, but see that smoke that's coming off the pan? That is totally imparting that kind of smoky flavor to the lettuce itself. So I'll check the tomatoes. They look good. Oh my gosh, looking so good. Okay, so while this finishes grilling, I'm gonna finish off the dressing. So I have some olive oil, and I'm gonna push the button and let it go while I slowly drizzle in the oil. Last thing to add is Parmesan cheese, which I like to just add at the very end and then just kind of pulse in. Oh, it smells so good. The combination of the garlic and the Parmesan and the anchovies. Ooh, that looks good. There's nothing better than homemade Caesar dressing. Okay, so time to take the beautiful romaine off of the grill pan. Got a little bit slippery there. And then I'll kind of scatter the tomatoes. So the lemons, you can actually grill and use one of the wedges in your Caesar dressing if you want to. I just use straight lemon juice, but you can kind of add to the flavor by using this lemon juice too. Okay, so the basic salad is ready. I'm gonna wait and dress it at dinner time, so I'll serve the dressing on the side. What a gorgeous salad for 2, grilled Caesar with grilled tomatoes. Nom, 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 nom.